What is up? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Today we've got another Soul Pump video, and today is not going to be testing out any games. They actually do have a brand new terminal which all of you guys can come and use today. Now, before we do start, guys, many of you guys know we do have these daily cases on Soul Pump, right? You can use the demos, and you can see that on our starter cases you can get anywhere from 0.001 Soul all the way up to 10 Soul. The most common is going to be this, right? 0.125 Soul Pump. And you want to be stacking up this Soul Pump token, guys, because you're going to be able to trade it. Now, we're going to open up our free case. Let's see what we get. There we go. And we've stacked up quite a lot of our Soul Pump tokens right now, guys. If you want to go and get these free cases, then you don't even have to spend anything, to be honest, guys. You can just use code LEX and then join Soul Pump, test it out. I know a few of you guys have tested this out, and a lot more people are starting to play these games. But today we're looking into the terminal, okay? So terminal is going to be Soul Pump's brand new trading platform, right? You can market buy, limit buy, or dip buy as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have, guys. So all you have to do is connect your wallet, Phantom wallet, whatever Solana wallet you guys have, and then you're going to be able to trade in Sol. So they've got a bunch of different meme coins on the side, okay? You've got calls here, you've got lists. You can integrate your Telegram on the side here. You can scan your favorite Telegram groups in one place, copy the top performing trader, right? So if we did connect our Telegram, you connect your wallet there, and you can follow people pretty easily here. You've got all of the different calls as well. Now, if you're not in any of these Telegram groups, then you can see here, there's a bunch of different calls on the side. So the ats are going to be the Telegram group, when I can go to the side here. So all the ats here are going to be the different Telegram groups that you guys can come and join, right? So you're going to see here, right, Chang/Sol called at 25k market cap, went all the way to 27k market cap, did a 1.0x. And what you want to do is you want to find things like this, right? So Mumu on Sol was called at 35k, and since then has done a 4.62x. So I think what I'm going to do in a future video is we're going to test out some of these calls, use some of our Solana, maybe follow the top performing calls on here or groups, and then see if we can get some decent returns, guys, because there is the opportunity if you guys are into meme coins. And again, it's super risky. This is the casino, no crying in the casino. But if you guys are into stuff like this, then it's going to be really easy for you guys to make some money just by following these calls, right? Even this, the Luce Ferrari yesterday, right, called at 302k market cap, currently at 458k market cap. So it's still super low market caps. So you're still playing with super low market caps, but you can see here on Soul Pump, you've got the bullish calls premium, you got well but by free calls here as well. And it's also going to be able to help you guys weed out who you want to be following if you do trade these meme coins, guys. Okay, so there's a lot of potential here, right? We're going to be looking to see if any of these callers, right? We're seeing Wizzy trades here a lot. We're seeing Soul House here a lot, Soul House Signal, bullish calls here a lot as well. We're going to see if any of these actually do give these 10x gains that you guys are hunting for. Okay, so that's the terminal. You've also got the scanner here as well, so you can scan a bunch of different coins. You're going to see here the transactions, the volume, the price, liquidity, and then you've also got a meme pool. Okay, so very similar to what Pump Fund has done. And you can see here these newly created coins about to graduate and graduated. And I think it's really cool that Soul Pump now is not only going to be doing the Soul games, but they're also going to be able to help you guys trade as well. So I think what I'm going to do in the next video, we're going to go into the meme pool. We're going to put some money into some of these meme pools, and then we're going to see if we can flip some of them. Okay, but you're going to see here in the drop down, they've also got a new channel section. So farm calls at the top here, highest ROI 2x, Going all the way to like Tiger's calls, highest ROI was a 21x. So far, they've only done 3 calls, win rate 66.7%. Really, really cool thing to be following here, guys, because you're going to be able to follow traders that have high win rates. You want to see them have quite a high amount of calls, low amount of losses, and high amount of wins. And then you move to the left here, you got the gainers of the day, you got the new coins, and you got the hot coins as well, guys. So definitely worth going to check out SOLPUMP today. I think it's going to be like a really big platform for Solana going into the next bull run. You've also got these auto bots here as well. So your evolution in auto trading, create a bot, you can build a list and earn more. And if you are into the whole bot trading and you know how to create bots, that's going to be amazing for you guys as well, right? So you can set and forget trading, select a channel or list. Autobot follows their calls instantly. Set your risk strategy, define your buy sell rules, activate and profit. Okay, so really cool stuff from SOLPUMP at the moment, guys. Really, really cool stuff. I'm definitely going to be dabbling in this meme pool and the scanner, right? Because I want to be making sure that I'm following these guys, trying to keep an eye on who's got the highest win rate. See if we can get some like 20, 30x gains. This guy's got 100x gain, right? 8 wins and 9 losses, but that 100x gain probably outweighs all of his losses here, guys. Okay, so going to find out exactly what that call was. I mean, you can see here the Royal Pop, which was that swatch. He called it at 24k market cap, and it did 100x, right? It went all the way up to 2.67 million market cap. Right, so definitely go and spend some time looking into this. There's always money to be made in the casino, but no crying in the casino, guys. I know this isn't for everyone, but shout out to SOLPUMP because I wanted to share this with you guys today. And remember, even if you just want to come in and get your free spins, then use code LEX in the description. But that's just a quick one from me to you on SOLPUMP today. Let me know what you think of the new terminal. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.